Hello students, Ms. Slyman back again, this time with example 1 of our 2.6 notes. So now it starts by saying sketch the graph, and here we don't know if we have our calculator or not. If you have your calculator, sketch it on your calculator. So let's look at that. So I'm going to sketch x plus 1 over x squared minus 4. I'm going to hope this opens quickly. All right. So let's make our big screen. And now I've got, so I just want up on top x plus 1. So let's go in and edit that. X plus 1. I need to delete out the other stuff. So delete out this exponent. All right, and then in the bottom, I need x squared minus 4. Well, that's x plus 2, x minus 2. And since I already have that x plus 2 down there, I'm just going to edit this to say x minus 2. I look like I've got a standard window here, negative 10 to 10, so I'm just going to check my window. My window also is negative 10 to 10 and negative 10 to 10, so I can graph. I know that I'll have asymptotes at x equals negative 2, x equals positive 2, and then it looks like I'm going, well, you can see what it looks like, so I'm going to come over here and sketch this. So x equals negative 2 is here, x equals positive 2 is here, my graph comes this way. I want to make sure and get my exact intercepts, so I've got another asymptote I'll add in at y equals 0. When x is 0, my y value is going to be negative 1/4. So when x is 0, I've got negative 1/4, somewhere around there. At x equals negative 1, I have my y, my x-intercept. Based on my calculator, I can see that I've got this middle bit. So I can fill this in. And then also from my calculator, I can see this part. So don't forget to use your calculator if it's a calculator test. Also make sure you don't cross the asymptote if the graph doesn't actually cross it. So I'm going to come back and draw, making sure that I'm approaching my asymptotes and not becoming them. So let's look at these limits. Limit as x goes to 2 from the right. Going towards 2 from the right, my y value is going up towards positive infinity. Limit as x is going towards negative infinity, that's out this way, and that's 0. Limit as x is going to 2 from the left. 2 from the left takes me down to negative infinity. And my limit as x is going to 2 from the right, 2 from the right, negative 2 from the right. So negative 2 from the right, I'm going up to positive infinity. And there's looking at limits with a graph. I'm going to go back and make another video about how, actually that's not true. On this one, this would definitely be a calculator paper where, because we're wanting you to find the limits, that would mean that you would have a picture of the graph already. If you didn't have a picture of the graph, you would have to find the limits to draw the picture. So it would be in the opposite order. And so, yeah, there's example 1, and I'll see you in class.